you want to put this right on the fold, and we cut out that excess so it bumps up perfectly. Now we did iron the tissue so it lies flat, and then the second piece is also cut in the fold, which is very unusual, but you know, if I say it goes on the fold it is. Okay? So you just want to make sure that that's going to all line up, and then, not to waste any fabric, you always want to cut out this extra excess, but since we put the scissors down, we can just fold it over, and then we're going to start pinning. Now what's really important about the pinning is that number one, when you're working with a fabric that really can snag, or you can put a hole in it like crepe de chine or any kind of silky fabric, make sure you've got a good set of pins. But second of all, you want to lay it flat first on the fold and pin in the fold. Alrighty? So that's going to lay nice and flat. And you do it at the top and the bottom when you're getting started, just so that you know you have it stretched close enough. Then just do the sides. You don't have to pin every 2 or 3 inches. You can be pretty lax in your pinning. Usually less pinning, the better. Some of the major designers, what they do is they literally put weights on their fabric. Okay, so I think you're getting the idea that you don't need to pin the entire thing. You just pin it in the most appropriate places, and then you're going to be all ready to cut it out. Now when you are cutting it out, all you need to do is follow the lines, and you will have a perfect fitting pattern ready to be sewn.